All right, we're looking at question number 13. Which of the quadratic functions below has the smallest minimum value? So we've got a couple different functions over here. We're looking for the smallest minimum value from these. Well, easy enough to find it on this one. I look at my lowest point for the minimum value. It's right over here. The point 2, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, negative 10. So I'll just start listing the different things over here. We've got answer choice 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 2, negative 10 here. The minimum value, I only care about the y. Negative 10 is the minimum value for this. Looking at answer choice 4, I see my rainbow, negative 5 to negative 5, negative 2 to negative 2. Here's my minimum or maximum point. It happens to be a minimum because it's the lowest. It's the point 1, negative 6. Well, since negative 6 is the lowest value here, this is my minimum, it cannot be answer choice 4. It's looking for the smallest minimum value, and negative 10 is smaller than negative 6. It's not answer choice 4. So next what we got to do is, unfortunately, it's not a table or a graph, answers 1 or 3. So I just got to graph them and see if it's got a smaller minimum than negative 10. So x squared plus 2x minus 6. Make a new graph. Let's see, what was it while it's loading? X squared plus 2x minus 6. X squared plus 2x minus 6. Graph it. It goes pretty low. It looks like its minimum value is probably 7 because this lowest point is negative 6. But we can always just hit Control-T to check the table of values. Looks like the minimum is somewhere around negative 1 or negative 2. Looks like the minimum value is at negative 1. I see the rainbow over here, 6 to 6, 3 to 3. My lowest point is 1, negative 7. Negative 1, negative 7. That minimum value is negative 7. So again, it's not as low as negative 10. That's not it. Let's try graphing this one, x plus 5, x plus 2. Get rid of Control-T for a second. I can graph on the same place. It was parentheses x plus 5, x plus 2, right? X plus 5, x plus 2. Yep. Graph it. This minimum is all the way up here. It's not going to show up perfectly on our table, but it's clearly at like negative 2-ish. And that is, very obviously not as low as negative 10, right? Here my minimum is about negative 2. It's very clearly not as low as the negative 10. So my answer is answer choice 2. The smallest minimum value is in this graph at the point 2, negative 10.